Hello, we're going to be looking at two-way tables today. Right, this two-way table gives some information about how 100 children travel to school one day. Now, you've got some information on this two-way table. So you've got people that walked here, you got the people that went to school by car, and you got other people, other forms of transport. So you've got walking, car and other transport, then you got total, and then there was boys and there was girls, there was a total. Now we've got some information on this two-way table missing. So most of the times question A on this type of question will say complete the two-way table. From this information that you can see, we can't just pick any box at random. What you need to do is pick a box that you can actually complete first. So for example, if I look at the total, there was 100 children that travelled, and this 100 is at the bottom up there, so on both totals. So it's on this total here going this way, and on this total here going that way as well. So I know 54 add something equals 100, or 100 take away 54, so the answer for this one will be 46. That's the first thing that I can fill in straight away. I also know 14 add 16 for other is going to be 30. The total there is 30. That's what I know so far. For the walking one, there was 15 boys, and we need to work out the girls, so we could say the total is 37 take away 15, it's going to be 22. And then we've got two more to fill in. Now what we can do for this one is you can say 37 up here, add 30, which makes 67. In other words, 100 is in that total there. 100 take away 67 is 33. And then for the missing information about the boys and cars is 33 take away 8, which is going to be 25. Now my first part of this section is completed. Now what we need to do now is we need to write down the probability that this child walked to school that day. So one of the children is picked at random. Write down the probability that this child walked to school that day. In total, we know there was 100 students, so 100 is going to be out of 100. And if you look up there, the people that walk to school, so you look at the walk section, which is this section up here, you look at that one there, and then you look at the total that walk to school, which is 37, which is that number there. So it's going to be 37 out of 100. Question C, which is slightly more difficult. It says here one of the girls is picked at random, so I'm just going to underline the word girls up there. Work out the probability that this girl did not walk to school that day. So again, I'm just going to underline the keyword that did not walk to school. Now what we need to do is we need to see how many girls there are in total. So on the girls section up there, we know there's going to be 46 girls up there, so it's going to be out of 46. But the question says did not walk to school. This one here is walk to school, so this one is by car and that one other is, so this one here is by car and this one here is other. So all I'm going to be doing is adding them two together. So it's going to be 24 out of 46. You could just leave your answer as that. We don't need to simplify in probability. What I want you to do now is answer this question and take a photo of this and send it on to class charts. Thank you for watching the video.